Hello, my dear kids. Today we are going to do a poem Who Likes the Rain from our English Students book. Let's start. Children, have you ever thought what would happen if there was no rain? If there was no rain, we wouldn't have had the pleasure of enjoying the beautiful monsoon. Our lands would have remained dry throughout the year, and all plants and trees would have dried up and died. Animals, plants, and humans would have fought for water because it would be scarce. Children, take out page number 102. Let me first ask you, do you like the rain? I like the rain a lot because my childhood memories are associated with the rain. During the rainy season, I used to sail paper boats in front of my house. Now let's see how the different creatures feel about the rain in the poem. First, let's talk about the duck. I, said the duck, I call it fun, for I have my little red rubbers on. They make a cunning three-toed track in the soft cool mud, quack, quack. So children, for the duck, the rain is fun. And its red rubbers are on. Here red rubbers means the feet of the duck. So the feet of the duck are always ready to go out in the rain and in the soft cool mud by making the sound quack quack. Here cunning means clever. I, cried the dandelion. My roots are thirsty. My birds are dry. And she lifted her little yellow head out of her green and grassy bed. So children, here dandelion means a flower that looks like a thin ball of cotton wool. So the dandelion, as we all know children, that plants require water to grow. So the roots and the buds of the dandelion were thirsty. So she came up with her little yellow head out of her green and grassy bed to take the water. I hope it will pour. I hope it will pour. Croaked the tree toad at this grey bark door, for with a broad leaf for a proof, I am perfectly weatherproof. So children, the frog, that tree toad, said this line that it hoped it'll pour when the sky was dark, grey and cloudy. So because it wanted to get a chance to go out in the rain. And if it goes out in the rain, it will not get wet because it has a large leaf for an umbrella. Sang the brook. Here children, brook means a small river. So a small river wanted to sing a song for the rain. I welcome every drop. Come, come dear raindrops, never stop. Till a great river you make of me. Then I will carry you to the sea. So children, that small river sang a song for the rain, and that small river did not want the rain to stop because every drop of rain would change the small river into a big river. So that great river can then be carried to the sea. So children, this poem is written by Kerala Dottie Bates. Children, water is a precious thing. We should not waste water because No creature on this earth can survive without water. So use it wisely. It will help in our future. Bye bye. Good day.